So hello everyone. So let me break down on how to trade this week on Gbpusd. I'm going to analyze both Gbpusd and Xauusd, which is gold. So firstly, you have to start your analysis with daily time frame to see the direction of the market. So always I'm telling my students that always be following the market structure because this is that is where the money is flowing. So firstly, GBPUSD already give us the structure of bearish previously, which is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, breaking the lows. So this is to confirm with us that the market was clearly now in downtrend. So previously the market already tapped a major resistance level. So the market tapped our major resistance level at this level at daily time frame. This is to confirm us that the market this week might be returning from this minor structure of uptrend to downtrend due to this major resistance level. So this week we are going to expect the market to continue give us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, simply because the previous structure was in downtrend, which is lower low, lower high. So no need to buy GBPUSD this week. Why? Because we are going to buy or less if market breaks this our major resistance level. That is when we are going to expect the market come and retest. Then we are going to continue buying on GBPUSD. So don't forget that we are going to buy unless if market breaks this major resistance level. So we are going to buy, but once if the market under this resistance level, so we are going to expect the market to continue give us a bearish structure, which is the previous structure was a bearish. So we are going to expect the market to continue this lower low, lower high to continue give us a selling opportunity, so that we are going to enter our sell position. So we finish our daily time frame analysis. So we are going straight to the H4 time frame to confirm us that what is happening at this level, since that the market already tapped our major resistance level. So the market, although the market just give us a minor uptrend market, which is higher high, higher low, so already break this high. So the market come back to the major resistance level. So pay attention, the market refused to break this major resistance level. This to confirm us that the market is about to turn to its downtrend, which is lower low, lower high. So previously the market just tapped our major resistance level and give us an M pattern. Some strategy they might call it a change of character or church, whatever it is. So on price action basis, this is the main triple top. So this to confirm us that the market is about to reverse from its uptrend to its downtrend. So now we are expecting the market to continue breaking lows, which is this low. So come and retest, which is lower low, lower high. So lower low, lower high. So this week I'm expecting more of bearish on GBPUSD. Why? Because simply because the market its previous structure is in downtrend. So and although the market come and tap a major resistance level, which is this area, so this is why I'm expecting a sell opportunity. So although don't forget that there is a minor bullish structure on this level. So high low, the market give us high low. But since that the market tap a major resistance level, this is to confirm us that the market might return to its bearish structure. Or if the market don't give us before we can enter the sell, we must see if the market give us at least minimum of 2 lower low and 2 lower high before to confirm us that the market is about to go to the downtrend. So if market once give us a minimum of 2 lower low, simply this means lower low, lower high, lower low. So once if we see this structure, so the market is about to go to the downtrend, so we are going to expect more of sales in the market. So if market come and break this our major resistance, These are major resistance. So this to confirm us that the market is about to continue its bullish structure. So we are going to expect this week the market is about to continue its bullish structure. So we are simply we must wait till market come and retest out this major resistance that now turn to support. So the rule says that we are going to enter a sell once if market at resistance level. So if market is in support level, we are only been buying. So don't forget this rule always. So once the market breaks this major resistance, it's automatically turn to support level. So previously it's a major resistance, but if market break above, so it's already turned to support level. So we are going to simply wait till market come and retest this level. So we are going to expect the market to continue to buy. So at this level we are going to enter our buy position. So we finish our daily 4-hour market analysis. So we are simply scaling to H1 time frame to see what is happening in the H1 time frame to confirm us that the market is about to go to the downtrend or is about to continue its bullish structure. So the market already the market give us a clear triple top at this level. So this to confirm us that this week we might see a much more of selling structure at this GBPUSD. So the market come back and go to the high and refuse to break this major resistance level. So come back again. So the market get to this high but refuse to break above. So the market rejected and come back again. So thirdly, the market come and touch, still the market refused to break through this level. So this to tell us that the market might not continue its bullish structure, it might continue its bearish structure. So don't forget, we are going to sell unless if market give us a clear selling structure, which is lower low, lower high till. So that time we are expecting a sell. So we are going to enter our sell position unless if we see 2 minimum of higher high and higher low. So now we are only seeing the market about to reverse from its major bullish structure to continue selling for now. So we are simply been waiting. We must wait till market give us a 2 lower low and 2 lower high before we're gonna be selling this market. So this was my analysis on GBPUSD on this week on how we gonna trade it. So everyone who trades GBPUSD should be patiently enough till market give us a clear structure before we're gonna be taking action. So remember this week, last week we only take one position, one entry and last week simply because the market already is been somehow. That is why we will not get any opportunity. So no wasting of time. Let's get straight to Xauusd, which is popularly known as gold. So everyone is trading gold for now before it's moving faster. It's moving faster in structure. So we are gonna be starting analysis on daily time frame. So daily time frame, what was the structure? What was the major structure of the gold? So the major structure of the gold is going to the upside. If you understand, it's going to the upside. So if you say the market is going to the upside, so you are simply mean the market was breaking highs, which is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the market is going to the upside. So Xauusd, the major structure of gold is going to the upside. So once if market going to the upside, you are only been focusing on buying, not selling. So don't forget this thing always. So this daily time frame gives us a clear understanding of the bias of the market this week on how we are going to trade Xauusd. So Secondly, we are scaling to the H4 time frame to see what was the structure of the market. Don't forget, firstly, you have to solve what was the structure of the market. So second thing, you have to focus on where you are going to enter the market, since that you understand the structure of the market. So secondly, you are going to focus on where you are going to, where you want to enter the trade. So the market gives us a clear uptrend structure, which means the market from this place, the market was higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. The market refused to break this high. So remember this thing, the market refused to break this resistance level. So the market came back again. But although the market refused to break this low, to confirm us that the market is about to go to sell. So the market was continue its uptrend. So previously the market, we might say the market was an uptrend. So we are going to be buying on a support. So if once the market is in uptrend market, so we are only focusing on support level because it's the place where we are going to enter the trade. So this was our support level. So let me use this thing. So this was our support level. So we are expecting the market to pull back to test this area before we are going to continue buying XAUUSD. So we finish H4 time frame. So don't forget, your analysis must start from daily time frame. So daily time frame help you to understand the structure of the market and understand your bias in the market. So we finish with daily and H4 time frame. So we are scaling to H1 time frame to see what is happening on gold. So H1 time frame tells us that the market is in uptrend. So we are only been buying. Have you understand? So later, this was another support level. This was another previous resistance. But once the market breakthrough, is automatically turned to support level. So once it's previously is a resistance level for the market, but the market come back and break this resistance level. So once the market breaks this major resistance level, so automatically it turn to support level. So we are simply been waiting till market come back and pull back. So give us a clear candlestick rejection or chart pattern at this support level. So once the market gives us a clear confirmation of uptrend, so we are going to expect the market to continue its bullish structure. So we are going to take our buy at this level, so to continue of going to the upside. So this was the breakdown on how to trade XAUSD and GBPUSD this week. So if you enjoyed this video, so kindly like, comment, share, and so set up your notification so that don't miss our next analysis on GBPUSD and XAUSD. So thank you.